In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve this interesting Olympiad exponential equation right here. We have 7 to the power of x multiplied by 7 to the power of x equals 70. We have to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation right here. Now let's have a solution. We have here 7 to the power of x multiplied by 7 to the power of x equals 70. Now, recall that if you have a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of x, but this is equivalent to a to the power of x plus x, which equals a to the power of 2x. Now, right here, we are going to apply this principle at this point. Here, we are going to have 7 to the power of x plus x equals 70. When if you add up the powers, then we have 7 to the power of 2x equals 70. Now, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation through by 7. Here divided by 7, here divided by 7. Now, here as a power of 1, recall that from indices, in divisions, when the bases are the same, we subtract the powers. When we pick one of the bases and we subtract the powers, we have a 2x. When minus this one equals, here 7 divided by 7 and 7 into 70, that gives us 10, and here equals 10. When at this point, we are going to take the logarithm of both sides of the equation, and if you are going to have here log 7 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals log 10. And at this point, we are going to apply power rule here. We are going to return this power to the back of the log, and the equation becomes 2x minus 1 log 7 equals log 10. When here, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by log 7, and if you do that, you are going to have here this divided by log 7, and which also be divided by log 7. When here, log 7 will eliminate log 7, and we have 2x minus 1 equals log 10 all over log 7. When at this point, recall that if you have log a divided by log b, but this is equivalent to log a base b. Then we are going to apply this right here, and this equation becomes 2x minus 1 equals log 10 base 7. When here we are going to collect items, we are going to move -1 to the right hand side of the equation, and we have here 2x equals log 10 base 7. To move -1 down here, become +1. Then, now to get the value of x, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by 2. Then the equation becomes x equals log 10 base 7 plus 1 divided by 2. And this whole expression can also be expressed as x equals 1 all over 2 into log 10 base 7 plus 1. And this is the value of x that will satisfy this given equation right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.